Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gurung, Jordan Gurung, and today I would like to show you a video of what we did and how we celebrate after completing 2 years of Uma, the Madhyamaka. The Madhyamaka is one of the 5 major basic texts which are Sherchin, Uma, Dhruva, Zur, and Samanamdev. So, what we did was we offered delicious food to our great teachers, and we also had a party for ourselves. What we cooked were Manchurian, egg curry, and mushroom chili with rice. And so let me show you how we cooked it.
Namza Marcos, अर्को एउटा सुन्नु
चलाउने
घान्डाला देखो यो चाहिँ डबल डबल खाने चाहिँ हो नि त्रिपल खाने आएन 5 वटा खाने
खानेभन्दा धेरै मोहल रहेछ
लेग पर At the end of the video, I would like to share with you all what I have learned. The thing is, whatever we see around us, whatever we hear from other people, whatever we touch or anything, whatever we do, everything is interdependence. In Tibetan, everything is dependent, and everything is dependently designated, and also everything is impermanent. So stay safe, stay happy, and be positive. Thank you guys. See you soon.